So my name is Piet Oudolf. I'm here at Wisley because we did the Glasshouse Borders in the year 2000. I came back to redo the borders. After 20 years the other ones looked a little bit tired, and we found a new concept which is more environmentally friendly, because we work with parts that are more based on plant communities. And we are based on a sort of traditional border making in groups or block planting with plants that are not traditional in general. So a lot of North American grasses and other species were not used in gardens, and we use them a lot here in this kind of design. The difference is also the old borders were based on the border that we already know here, the long borders. So they asked me to do a parallel border on the other side, on the hillside, where the glass houses came. When I started to design, even the glass house was not there. But they say we want a parallel border, so linear lane focusing to the glass house. And I think focusing means that you don't look around you, you only look where you go to. And I think this design is totally focused on experience. People walk from the bottom to the top over a meandering path that goes to different kind of plantings. Let's say perennial block planting and matrix planting. And matrix planting is a planting based on a few species with all kind of other plants coming through. And then, so you move to 4 experiences of different planting types. Also we have, when you come from the main lane into that garden, the plants are also different. And the whole garden is backed up with shrubs, but also not always known by people. We have a lot of North American shrubs. We have beautiful trees that people have never seen. We have a beautiful smoke trees that in a collection that people don't know. But I think mainly it is about times have changed. Other plants have come into gardening. Other plants have become more appreciated because they attract more insects. They are shelter for insects. They attract bees. I think in this garden the skeletons of plants and the seed heads are even more important because it's so huge and so massive that you create an environment for you cannot do in the other border. We don't have in the other border. No, I have the idea there's a lot of awareness already about this kind of planting, but there's not many places that show it. So that's why I think that Wisley could be a sort of really center point. I think this is a real key moment, a key place also.